So we're here on a west-facing aspect near tree line on a 35-degree slope, getting ready to do an extended column test, see how our new snow is bonding with our older faceted snow. We've already seen several skier triggered releases today. Just getting into the size 2 range, mostly failing on faceted snow below the new snow. We've had 31 inches of new snow over the past 4 days with 2.5 inches of water, so pretty significant load. You can see here in the bottom of our snowpack, we've got a lot of very large depth hoar grains. That's our base. We haven't seen anything fail on that just yet. Where we're seeing it is at this interface where we have a weaker surface facet layer that's now buried under 1.5 feet, 2 feet of snow. Getting a little bit of a localized failure in the midstorm. We have seen some other midstorm instabilities as well. Not a lot happening with them, some smaller pocketed avalanches.
Hey, just checking in.
Stand by for it. Another mid-storm localized layer here, but it's not really propagating across the whole column. This one's interesting, it came out a little bit further across. Ooh. So this is the first thing we've seen go down into the basal facets. It was right there at the end of my test, so hitting pretty hard at the high end of the scale. Whether that's a Q1 or a sudden planar, sudden collapse kind of shear, definitely concerning. This is kind of indicating that with this new load, maybe we're starting to put too much pressure on these weak basal facets at the bottom of the snowpack. It means if you are able to affect those layers, you're likely to trigger a much bigger avalanche. It's going to be very large and very destructive.